Countdown continues, time is running out, days is getting less and less for that big moment here to the end of the year. I think at this stage a lot of people are already on holiday, but the thing is, even if you're on holiday, we've got Ironman branches across Namibia. We will talk about that later on, but the thing is, you can get the product not only in Windhoek, you can get it on the countryside as well. And our product that we're going to highlight today is a Vision X headlight replacement. I'm going to show it here. Now, this is not for all the vehicles. This is particularly for the guys with the Jeeps. I know it's a big family and they do like the accessories, and this is where this light comes in. Even your Land Rover Defender 110, it works on your old Cruiser with the round lights, the 7-inch lights. This light replaces your factory headlight to an LED unit, and you will make that vehicle so much younger and you will get so much more light out of this one. Vision X is a fantastic product, good backup and a fantastic warranty. It comes at a price, but it's all worth it.